The Campaign for Free and Fair Elections, or CAFE, says that 86 complaints have been lodged thus far ahead of the presidential poll. Executive Director of CAFE, Kirthi Tennakoon, said that the complaints were lodged from Kandy, Kurunegala, Puttalam and Anuradhapura.
We saw illegal propaganda activities taking place continuously from the time the nominations were handed over, with Kandy, Kurunegala and Puttalam being some of the locations in which these propaganda activities had taken place. The significant occurrence this time around is that we are continuing to witness an increase in the usage of firearms during campaigning activities. There is a significant increase in the number of complaints lodged citing the usage of state properties, which includes that of local government bodies, property of many state institutions including the Ministry of Higher Education, and the Highways Authority appears to be used in many election campaigning activities.